Oh my goodness.
Okay, stop fighting!
Welcome to another brand new episode of Cop Cam Chronicles, where we dive into the craziest police videos you've ever seen. For today's episode, let's look at these funny police interactions that will definitely leave you in stitches. I know we feature a lot of sensitive and violent videos here, but this time, we wanted it to be a little less crazy so we can all have a good laugh. This video will definitely make you laugh, so without further ado, let's dive in. In our first video, a body cam video shows student Blayk Puckett being pulled over for a broken taillight. Police then notice that his license plate reads, end quote, Juggler, end quote, which is kinda odd. During the traffic stop, police asked Puckett what was in one of his pockets, which turned out to be some of his magic equipment. He then proved that he is sober in a creative way. Here's how it went down. Puckett pulls over for the officers at this barbecue spot. At this point, they are still wondering if Puckett is intoxicated. Now an officer is approaching him. Is he even aware his taillights were broken? Here comes the questioning. Also keep in mind that there is no audio in this portion of the video that was provided by the police. Now let's hear what they're talking about.
Yeah. That's a cool computer, man.
At this point, Puckett is showing his magic equipment to the police to break the tension of being pulled over by police.
You just left just now?
Well, I went to my apartment. I was at the library with my apartment
cool,
on South
cool.
Donaghy, and then I was going to go see her.
All right, sit tight for just a second. Go ahead and pull that up. Yeah, I'll...
Right here.
Oh, okay, yeah.
There you go.
All right, good deal. All right, sit tight for me for just a second, all right?
I'll do it.
How's it going tonight?
Good, how are you, man?
I'm doing good. You just say you're coming from the library?
Yeah, well, I was at my apartment. I was at the library, and I stopped by my apartment, and now
I don't know about you, but he sounds drunk to me.
University Park.
Okay.
Yeah.
I live in Bear Village, so I'm right there by you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually think that University Park was originally meant to be part of Bear Village.
It seems like it, doesn't it?
I really think that that's what it was. Now, like, really, I think that once they got it built, I think there was, like, not enough budget, not enough of the budget to make
So Rush Hour just took it over?
Now Puckett is just storytelling with the officers. He's definitely drunk.
Exact same, inside and out.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Do you like living there?
Oh, man, I love it, yeah.
Pretty close to campus, but you're far enough away to where you don't catch all the crowd and traffic.
Right, yeah. I usually bike to school, and so it's important for me to be as close as I can.
Oh yeah, because you don't want a long bike ride, especially if the weather gets bad or something like that.
Yeah, or if it's hot.
Seems like being drunk is effective in sharing too much information. These officers must have gathered enough data by now.
Or something like that. It's just not a good deal. He'll be back with you.
See on this side?
Oh, man, sit down. I'll show you what I'm talking about, and I'll let you go into it, okay?
Yeah, in fact, I knew that it was out. I've got it right here.
That's awesome.
I've been
Oh, good. He steps out without having to attack the officers, unlike other suspects that we feature here on our channel.
What's that in your pocket about? I think, don't mind me
Here?
asking. Yeah.
It's gonna sound really weird. I'm a magician, and it's a magic wand.
Can I see? Would you be okay to do? You don't have to. I don't want you to feel pressure.
I'll do some magic if you insist.
Yes.
This is.
Now that's creative. Doing magic in front of the police? You can hear them being amused.
No, I want you to know you don't have to.
Actually got.
This is going to be awesome.
They just made your night.
You just made my night, man. I got to tell you.
I've actually got some juggling props if you'd rather see that.
Let's see it, man.
But
Whatever you.
The officers are definitely having a good time with Puckett. Now he's going to do a juggling trick.
All right, you got it. You hang on to that. Don't drop it. There's no case. Okay. All right.
But you have to get a picture of me juggling.
Is it going? It's going. Man.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
This is the new sobriety test in Conway.
Made it. Oh!
Now that was impressive. Even myself was shocked with that one. Puckett's really good at this.
Hey, enjoy your night, okay?
Thanks, guys.
And I'll be honest with you, another reason I stopped you, you're going off to slow down Donaghy. And
Okay.
a lot of times someone going below the speed limit is indication someone's been drinking.
Oh, really?
You got close to the curb once or twice, but you're obviously fine, so
Gotcha.
nobody can do that intoxicated. Anyway,
That's true.
Okay, man, hey, have a good night.
And just like that, Puckett is able to avoid being arrested. But he did sound drunk to me at first. Those juggling skills really convince me and the police that he isn't. Now for our second video. Deputies located 38-year-old CHERIE Saunders in the driveway of her home with her makeup smeared, no shoes, slurred speech, and a heavy scent of alcohol coming from her. During the investigation, it was revealed that Saunders had slapped someone inside of her home. While deputies were attempting to resolve the situation, Saunders became extremely agitated and would not cooperate with the investigation. Here's how it goes.
Don't fucking try to play me. Get the fuck off my goddamn property right now. Get the fuck off my property.
We're trying to
no,
make...
you know what? Get the fuck off my goddamn property. Bye-bye.
Saunders shouting at what seems like early in the morning is a great alarm to wake up the neighborhood. Wakey, wakey.
Every fucking goddamn set. One,
Ma'am, come talk
two.
to us.
Ma'am.
All right, bye-bye, Felicia's.
Ma'am, come talk to us.
No.
She can't even close the garage door herself. Seems like being drunk has its perks.
Play your shit.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
No, I didn't fucking touch you.
Ma'am.
No, you know what? I didn't
Ma'am.
fucking touch
Come
you.
here.
No, you know what? You fucking
Come
play
here.
that shit on my
Ma'am.
fucking...
Ma'am.
You know what? You know what?
I find this hilarious because she sounds crazy. She definitely needs an exorcist instead of the police.
Stop.
No, it's fucking...
Stop.
Chill out.
You get the fuck...
Ma'am.
I didn't fucking do anything!
Out.
Dude, I didn't fucking do anything! Dude, I didn't fucking do anything! You gave me...
See? I told you she needs an exorcism. What the hell was that? It's too funny.
Ma'am, stop resisting. Did she actually bite you or no?
I didn't do anything! You gave me my goddamn property! I didn't fucking do... Fuck you! I didn't do...
Now where's the Bible when we need one? She needs a scripture so bad.
Sure,
Fuck you, bitch! I didn't fucking do anything on my goddamn property! I didn't fucking do anything! You know what the fucking property fucking...
Can we unlock it?
Yeah.
You know what the fucking property fucking goddamn fucking injury!
Watch
Fucking injury shit!
hand's gonna pop out.
They won't fucking shove that shit!
I'm sorry, but this is just hilarious. It looks like a found footage horror film.
We got the shredder?
I didn't do shit! You did
I was trying to
shit!
pick her arm up, not her.
I didn't do shit!
Can we get a
You
back off underneath and then get on the shirt again?
I was literally laughing inside, but I need to be serious. But this is just crazy. See what alcohol can do to you?
Shit! Fuck you! It's my gun! Damn my gun! Fuck you fucking assholes! It was fucking you! I fucking did it! Get the fuck out of my goddamn fucking garage!
Ma'am!
Stop.
Fuck you!
Oh, now she's getting more aggressive.
You girl! Fuck you! Fuck you, bitch asshole!
Close out. Stop fighting!
She just bit the leg of the officer. Okay, now she definitely needs an exorcism after all this. Did a dog possess her or something?
It was you!
I got her.
You fucking did! Fuck you! Alright, I don't fucking stop! It was you!
It was you, she shouted. You really can't make this stuff up?
You fucking did it!
Did you get bit that time? No, I didn't. I didn't.
Now she's crying. It's okay, Miss Saunders, you just need to calm down.
Yeah, she got you good. You need an ambulance? Your radio's here.
How bad is it?
Looks like Miss Saunders bit the officer's leg really hard as they inspect the bite.
No. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
You feel like you're gonna pass out? All right, well, I'll get Maddie on the way.
What did the officer say? He's going to pass out? Miss Saunders got rabies, I assumed. Maybe she really was possessed by a dog.
Do you have hepatitis?
You think you're gonna pass out from the fight or from? Probably like 2 times longer.
Oh wow, he really did pass out. Hopefully the officer will be okay after this one hell of a funny mess.
She secure?
Yeah.
Well, she good? Just stay on the ground, okay?
Okay.
You passed out.
If you love shocking police interaction videos like this, you can show us your support by subscribing to our growing channel. Also, do us a favor and ring that bell icon to get notified for updates too. We'll see you around next time here at Cop Cam Chronicles.